Black holes are among the most bizarre and mysterious objects in the universe.
Mathematically, any object that possesses mass can become a black hole.
That includes you, me, and everything you see around you right now.
Everything can become a black hole if crushed into a small enough space. This critical space is known as the Schwarzschild radius. Compressing matter into this radius creates an incredibly dense object. Nothing can escape its gravitational pull, not even light itself. If you were to become a black hole, you would need extreme compression. You would have to fit all your mass into a space smaller than a grain of sand. The more mass a black hole has, the stranger its effects become.
Consider a Boeing 777 jet, for example.
If it became a black hole, it would shrink to an unimaginably small radius. Its radius would be roughly 3 times 10 to the power of -22 meters.
For comparison, a hydrogen atom is much larger at 10 to the power of -11 meters.
It's a difference in scale that is hard to comprehend. Imagine comparing a blood cell to the entire island of Sicily. This tiny black hole wouldn't last long due to Hawking radiation. It would evaporate completely in just 1 second.
The mass would be converted into a massive amount of energy.
That's equivalent to 5 million megatons of TNT.
That is 87,000 times more powerful than the largest nuclear bomb ever.
If you transformed Mount Everest into a black hole, it would be tiny. It would be smaller than a nanometer, the size of 10 helium atoms. Perhaps if we transformed a larger object like the Earth, things would be clearer. Everything that has ever existed on Earth would be crushed into a penny's size. If you replaced the Earth with this, nothing in our solar system would change. The Moon would continue to orbit as if nothing had happened.
Transforming the Sun into a black hole requires condensing it to 3 kilometers.
That's just about the size of 1.5 Central Parks.
Once formed, a black hole can grow by absorbing nearby matter.
They can even consume entire stars and solar systems.
They also grow by consuming other smaller black holes.
XTE J16950-500 is believed to be the smallest black hole ever discovered. Its radius is 12 kilometers, slightly larger than the island of Manhattan. It contains the mass of 5 to 10 suns packed into that area. Then there's GCIRS 13e, a black hole with many questions surrounding it.
If real, its size is roughly equivalent to the continent of Europe.
It would contain the mass of 1,300 suns inside it. HLX-1 is an intermediate-sized black hole with a huge radius. Its radius is over 295,000 kilometers. It's as wide as 4 Jupiters placed side by side. It contains the mass of 100,000 suns inside it. At the center of our galaxy lies Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole. It has a massive radius of 12,700,000 kilometers. That's about 5% of the distance between the Earth and Venus.
This monster contains the mass of over 4 million suns.
But we have yet to arrive at the largest known black hole. Meet S5 0014 Tent+81, also known as the Destroyer of Worlds. It belongs to the ultramassive class of black holes. Its radius is 1,600 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. It contains the mass of 40 billion suns inside it. That's also equal to an unfathomable number of Toyota Corollas.